In this video, I'll guide you through how to generate a barcode in Zoho Inventory. We'll go step by step, starting from where to click, and I'll also explain what's happening at each stage so you know exactly what you're doing and why. First, start by signing into your Zoho Inventory account and heading over to the main dashboard. From here, the place you want to go is the Items section. This is where all your products or services are listed and managed. Look for the menu option labeled Items in your navigation panel and click it. This takes you to a list of all the items you've added to your inventory. Once you're on the items page, find the specific item you want to generate a barcode for. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a lot of items, use the search bar or filters to locate it quickly by name, SKU, or other details. When you see the item you want, click on it to open its detailed view. This detail page is where you'll see all the information about that product, like its name, price, stock levels, and any custom fields you might have set up. With the item open, look for the option labeled Generate Barcode. This might appear as a button or an action in a drop-down, depending on your interface layout or any updates Zoho may have made. Go ahead and click Generate Barcode. When you do this, Zoho Inventory will either automatically create a barcode based on the item's details, or it will prompt you to confirm how you want it to be generated. In some cases, you may be asked to select a barcode format. Different formats like Code 138 or EAN are used depending on your region, industry, or the type of scanner you're using. If Zoho gives you a choice, select the barcode format that works best with your existing systems or label printers. If you're not sure which one to choose, it's a good idea to check what your barcode scanner or retail system supports before finalizing this step. Once you've selected the format, confirm your choice so Zoho can generate the barcode image. After the barcode has been generated, you'll usually see options to download or print it. If you plan to store the barcode file on your computer or share it with someone else, choose the download option and save it in a folder where you can easily find it later. If you're ready to label your physical products right away, choose the print option. Make sure your printer settings are correct and that you're using appropriate label paper so the barcode is clear and scannable. A clean, high contrast print is important because blurry or faint barcodes can cause scanning errors. Now, there is one more important detail to keep in mind. If you don't see any option to generate a barcode for a particular item, it usually means that the item is yet to be updated with the necessary details. In that case, go back into the item's information and make sure everything required is filled out correctly, such as item name, SKU, and any mandatory fields set in your organization. After updating and saving the item, revisit the item page and check again for the Generate Barcode option. That's all you need to generate a barcode in Zoho Inventory, from opening your item to downloading or printing a ready-to-use label.